What's really nice about this one is it includes 3 USBs and 2 USB-C ports. Are you traveling internationally anytime soon? You might need a travel adapter. These make sure that you can charge your devices and use your small appliances like hair dryers and curling irons, no matter where you are in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes inside the box for this travel adapter, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the box, you are going to have the travel adapter as well as the user manual. Now, before you use this, you're going to want to remove this plastic tab. This is where you're going to plug your devices in. And then on the back side is where you get the plug to use for different areas. So you have this one on the top. This is the plug for EU or European Union. Then we also have the plug for the UK. We also have a plug for the United States. And we also have a plug for Australia. This is universal going both ways. So depending on what type of plug your device has on it, say you're coming to the United States from another country, if your device or your appliance has a plug that looks like your home plugs, then you can use this to plug into a United States outlet. This has 4 distinct plug options: UK, Singapore, Malaysia, Kenya, and Hong Kong, USA, Canada, Mexico, Colombia, Panama, and Japan, Australia, China, Argentina, Fiji, and New Zealand, Finland, Germany, Denmark, France, Norway, and Poland. It is important to note that some devices are not compatible because they draw too much power. And they give an example here, so hair dryers that are more than 2,000 watts. So you will want to look at the specifications of your devices to make sure that they are compatible with this universal travel adapter.